Hello everyone, this is King Kong IoT. In this video, I will tell you how to control the door lock, and by many ways. Just by the COL logic controller, you can use the access control and for the door, and also you can use the button and use the IC card and this IC card and the mobile phone to control the door for many ways. Okay, let's look at the building, the model building, how connect with the LAN with the COL logic controller. We can take a part of the building. We can see the building is very heavy. This is the bottom of the building. This is 32 relay controller, and this is power supply and many devices. And we use the RS232 cable with the logical controller. This is logical controller, and you can use this COL and the 32B controller together, and we put it down. Now we can test with this device. We can put this way, this door access control, and this menu button. You can see I can use this card, IC card, and the light on and the door open, and also it will auto off and door auto close. We have set by the COL logic control 5 seconds for the delay time. You can change the time value, and also we can use this type of IC card, open and close. And this is for manual control. If you excite the door, you can press and open and immediately. And also we can use this mobile phone for remote control the door. You just press the door, open and close. Also we have a touch mode. You can long time hold this text. We can change this enable touch mode and press OK. You can see the icon is changed. At this time, you can see I press the button as the door is open, but when I not remove the finger, the door is not closed. When I remove the finger, the door is closed. So this is another mode for controlling the door. You can press and remove the finger. Okay, this is many way to control the door by the COL logic controller. Because if you have many door and many these buttons, you need to only use one COL logic controller and the relay board, not prepare for many drivers for the door access control. So this will save your cost. So also you can program the input point. This is digital input point for the door access control output. You can see this. This is just a 12 voltage power supply for this, and this is for the menu button to control this board, and also the COL logic control. This is digital input. This is dry note contact relay output and to the COL's digital input. So this is a solution for controlling your door for smart. Now you can see the solution of smart controlling your door lock, and by the access control and the IC card and the menu control and the mobile phone for remote control. Okay, this is the smart door solution for controlling by many ways. Thanks for watching.